You want to give me $5 for the weed?
Yeah, that's fine.
So we got 5.
Birds on a wire. Cool.
Is this yours? Your sale?
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna keep on. I'll put it right down here. That way, the table's clear.
Is this a Leatherman? I don't think it's the Leatherman. So the bottom of the baby buggy blew out because my
So absurd and
since I was a
special.
baby, young, baby when 50 years ago.
Will be perfect for planting in there.
Yeah,
I'll put some flowers in it.
I know.
Pretty.
Oh, yeah, I saw Brad's stuff.
Wow.
Like this, exactly right here, look. Not this size. This is for $5.
How much are your albums? He just gave my girlfriend's granddaughter oh, you buy for that?
Okay.
I'd like to get
That's funny.
That front gate, you just open the back end and you start that in, okay.
Oh, this is the gold truck?
No, the red truck,
The red truck's mine.
Oh, no, that is yours. Oh, my red truck is this one right
Good.
here.
I don't.
Are you the one that grabbed this stuff?
Yes.
No, do you want the refit board?
The board.
Yeah, it goes with it.
Yeah. I really have no use of it, but
Okay.
if you want me to take
There's
it,
a little foot in that box.
I'm sorry. Say again.
There's a foot to the.
Oh,
I'm
oh
gonna
yeah. Take it
grab.
out of there. I'm sorry.
No, it fell out, so I threw it in the box when I found. I thought maybe it's on the table. There it is.
Is it this
Yep.
thing?
So
Okay.
throw that.
I'm sorry.
No. If you want it goes with it.
Okay.
Oh, stand in the sun. Well, good. Okay, are you so happy?
I don't. Let me see on this one. I don't know on this one.
I'm gonna, oh, thank you. Appreciate it. You just put it on the stack of the other ones. I'm gonna do another round here.
Let me grab a box.
Trap or something?
No, just no. Thank you.
Let's keep shopping.
Yeah. That's enough. You do? 50 cents. Oh, for ale?
I think I'm up about 75 cents.
I'm gonna settle up with
Oh,
you
okay.
on these two guys down here.
All right.
So this pile, I don't know, some of them had pricing and some of them didn't.
Okay.
But yeah, it's gonna be
Do you
all.
know what she had on all that re-stuff?
I do not. I didn't see a marking on anything. She asked me if I wanted that fit board over there, but I wasn't interested.
On what?
There was like a big, huge plastic board, I guess, or some kind of fit weed board.
Oh.
It's like a step-up
Oh,
board,
I
I
see,
think.
that white thing?
Yeah, that big white.
And you didn't take it, you just took
Yeah.
God, I wish she was out here. Let's see. You want to give me $5 for the weed?
Yeah, that's fine.
So we got 5, 7, 8, 10. How about 15? Let's see what you got in here. Oh, that one's 3. How about $18 for everything?
Sounds good to me. I think I just got rid of my last ones. You want 10s or a 20?
Hey, it don't matter. I can take a 20 and give you a couple bucks.
Okay, I didn't know if you did anything.
There's one.
Sweet. These ones will help me out. Normally I stockpile them on Saturdays, but
Yeah.
last sale got me.
There you go.
Appreciate it very much. Thank you.
You need another box?
No, I have. That's what the backpack's for. I think my bag might have fell out somewhere, but yeah, I got bags.
Good deal.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. If I did, it would have went birthday.
Oh, yeah, it'd be gone.